Hi friends, this video shows how to fix all 5G network problems. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, go down, go to general management, tap here, go down, tap on reset, tap here, go down, tap on reset mobile network settings, tap here, tap on this reset settings button, then enter screen lock password, then tap on this reset button. This reset operation is safe. It will not delete any data from your phone. It will not delete your photos, videos, contacts, anything. It just reset only the mobile network settings, including 5G settings. That's all. Tap on this reset button. See the message network settings reset. Then close this. Then again go to settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Go to connections. Tap here. Then tap on mobile networks. Tap on network mode. Here we should select this first option, 5G preferred. Set it. Then tap on network operators. We should enable this option, select automatically. Enable it. Go back. If you are outside home network, enable data roaming. Tap here. If you want to use voice over 5G or VoNR, enable this option. If you want to use 2G networks in areas where other networks are not available, enable this option, allow 2G service. Then go back. Then tap on data usage. Tap here. And here you can see mobile data. Enable this option, mobile data. Done. Here on top you can see 5G symbol. That means 5G has been enabled in this mobile phone. This way we can reset all 5G network settings and fix all 5G problems. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.